I messed up. I pulled a blunder. Classic me. If you don't know me, I mess up a lot. Anyway, that's not important. First, let me address, thank you to Mr. Pineapple for bringing this to my attention. Liamjm, I said he disappeared at the end. That is not the case. He actually came back, and he addressed C. Singh's comment about how he was wrong, and admitted to it. And he apologized for being, a bit of a prick. He said it himself. He was a bit of an a-hole. I'm not gonna curse. But yeah. So that was my bad, my fault. So I should also apologize to Liamjm if he even sees this. My bad, man. I apologize. So I'm making this to clarify that, get that out of the way. All right, that's it. With that all said, I'm easily easy, and I'll see you next time.